Alright, this is going to be how to make a small dinosaur head. First of all, I took a piece of pipe like this, and this one is about, I would say, 4 inches in diameter, 3 maybe, but all you have to do is cut it at an angle like this. I did this on a bandsaw, but you could use a handsaw also, and it would be very easy to cut. Alright, the next thing I did was I cut it to length. In other words, it's going to be about this long. And alright, the next thing I'm going to do is, or what I already did was, I cut out the mouth. This is going to be a small dinosaur head, and it's going to fit on this board over here. Yeah, it's going to be like it's emerging out of here, and I'm going to screw it down real well. Now the mouth is pretty rough, but I figured that, okay, he's been in a few battles maybe. And then I took this cut-off disc and I trimmed it up a little bit right here and right here and here and over here. And I'll show you how that. This one needs a little bit more trimming. Yeah, something like that. Alright, I'm going to screw this down, and then I'm going to put eyes on here, something like this, and nostrils up here, like that. And they're going to be all uneven and everything. That's fine. And then I'm going to take this material right here, came from Long John's, and I'm going to stick it on here to make a skin. And then I'm going to take screws like this, drive them in here, and then round them off, and they'll project through the mouth. But I'm going to put the screws in first and then put this skin on. And then everything is going to be kind of rough, and it's going to look cool after I'm done. These screws are about, I would say, 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches. Now I'm going to make the eyes and nostrils. Okay, now I'm going to take this, put it back down. And I'm going to have to drill new holes because I can't see where the old ones were. Choose the center line. This is going to be a fin. So now I'm going to make a rough shape of it. This is all going to be painted. So I'm going to use Gorilla Glue. It's clear. It's not that important which kind to use. Use some scrap wood to stick it on there. Okay, my Dinosaur. I didn't like the teeth I did have in there, so I'm going to start making these. I guess we're going to say we're fitting him with dentures, but we're going to put these teeth in. I'm drilling holes in here so the teeth will look a little bit more realistic. Okay, so I got 3 of them. Now this is one of the teeth right here, and I want to make this one a duplicate, and so I got to measure this one from here in its longest point, and it's about 1 7/8 inches, so I want this one to be at its longest point 1 7/8 inches. Okay. Just bring it back a little bit. Okay, out there. Okay, now I have to mark it. Okay, about like that. And I want it to be coming down about like this, so I'm going to have to drill a little bit more. Okay, now here is the lower jaw piece, and I did cut it out of here. It's a section of this tube, and there's going to be two long teeth come out here, so we'll see how that goes. Well, I've got the lower teeth in. I did try these. They seem to be okay for now. I'm going to have to wait till I get this clamp out of here, this one, and then I can put these teeth right in here.